Welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in unified communication. This particular chapter focuses on the gateway deployment model. Depending on how big your organization, you have different models to work with when it comes to deploying gateways. Single-site deployment, multi-site centralized call processing deployment model, and distributed call processing deployment model. Each model provides different features and functionalities and limitations. So let's assume you have an organization with one office in city of Toronto where all the voice gateways and IP phones are located. This type of environment is known as single site. So for example, in this scenario, this particular area is my single site where my gateways is and my IP phones. Now I may have a WAN connection for my data or internet traffic, and I have a PSTN connection for sending calls to PSTN. So this would be a model called single site. Now you may have a branch office, for example right here, branch office A, and you may have a couple of phones there that are registered to the gateway right here or using this gateway in the head office. This is known as multi-site centralized call processing, because even though you have phones in different location, multiple site, you have head office and branch office, but the call processing is happening on the gateway located in the head office. Distributed would be where each location have their own call processing device. Now in a single site deployment where you have a Cisco Unified Communication Gateway located in one location. Now in this environment, the gateway can communicate with the service provider using either H323. Now if you're going to use MGCP, then you need call manager. Now if you are going to use H323 or SIP, you must maintain a dial plan on the router itself, and if in the case of MGCP, the dial plan informations are received from the call manager. Now it is a single best quality codec can be used, such as G711. You can use one codec because it's just one particular locations. There's no WAN involved. Everything is local area network, so G711 will provide you the best codec. Now another advantage is that DSP resources are located in the same location, so therefore it can be centralized. In this type of environment, the maximum IP phone you can have in a call manager environment is 30,000 IP phone, and the maximum number of gateways in this single site office can be registered is 1,100. A combination of H323 gateway, MCU, trunk, clients, and MGCP gateway per cluster. If you have a multi-site WAN with a centralized call processing